Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to log in Spotify account. So to do that, first thing you need to do is open a Google browser and then click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type in spotify.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Spotify. Once you're at the official page, you need to click on login over here on the right side. Click that. Now you can log in by providing email address or password. You can also log in if you have Facebook, Apple or Google account linked with your Spotify account. It will be a one-click login process, but we're gonna go with the email address. So type in the email address on the text box. Then below you type in the password. Then click on login. And with that, you will be logged in into the account of yours. You need to make sure that you type in the correct account credential, that is the email address and password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.